How to enroll in autopay for State Farm insurance bills. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to enroll in autopay to get your State Farm insurance bills there? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser and go to statefarm.com. Now, you will need to scroll down and under quick links, you'll see enroll in autopay. Just tap on it and now it will load up a new page. So, while it's loading up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our video and turn on the notification bell to not miss further updates. So once you tap on enroll in autoplay, something like this will load up. So you'll need to provide your account details, put in the phone number associated with your account, the date of birth, and hit continue. So they will ask you more personal details. You'll need to enter it, and that's it. After you have entered all of your information, you will be enrolled in autopay. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, everyone.